Hi guys, welcome to Chickadee. Today we are gonna learn to draw this cute strawberry dipped in chocolate. It's almost like a regular strawberry, but as a Valentine's Day special, we are gonna do it in the shape of a heart. Okay, let's begin. Firstly, take a pencil and draw a nice chubby heart. I always recommend using pencil before starting out with a marker. Because you can correct your mistakes. But if you're confident enough, you can start right away with a marker. Okay, we are done with the heart. Time for some leaves. The leaves are really pointy. There we go, that's the last one. The stem goes like this. Now for the chocolate part, draw a slightly curved line from middle of one edge of the strawberry to a slightly lower point on the other edge. It makes it look a bit natural. Higher and lower here. Let's add the dripping. The strawberry has just been dipped in chocolate. Another one is just like a teardrop. Looks yummy. Warm and delicious. Now for the eyes, draw two curves. They are like closed lids with lashes spiking outwards. Don't forget to add a cheerful smile. Wow, that's cute. Now the basic sketch is done. Let me tweak it here and there. Do the finishing touches. Alright, this looks perfect. Before we start coloring, finish the outlines with a black marker. Time to add colors. Yes, everything looks better with color. Let's do some seeds scattered all over the strawberry's face with a yellow marker. I'm adding a shine to the face of the strawberry. Let's fill it out. After doing the main coloring, I'm gonna do some shading using darker shades of markers. It gives nice depth to your art. It makes it stand out rather than being flat. All done! Here's the final sketch of this cute heart-shaped strawberry dipped in chocolate. I hope you loved it. Please like and share the video and do subscribe for some more exciting ideas. See ya!